In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up paid time off in QuickBooks Online Payroll. We'll walk through setting up a PTO policy for an employee so it calculates correctly on paychecks and reports. Make sure you're signed into your QuickBooks Online company with Payroll enabled and that you have the details of your company's PTO or sick policy handy. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and navigating to Payroll. This brings you to the Payroll overview, which is your hub for employees, pay runs, and settings. If you manage multiple companies, double check you're in the right file before you continue. From the payroll overview, choose employees. This is where you'll see your roster and can manage each person's pay details. Find and select the employee you want to set up. You can repeat these steps for others later. It's best to get one employee dialed in first. Inside the employee's profile, look for the Pay Types section. Click the pencil icon to edit. This opens the pay settings that feed into each paycheck, so changes here directly affect how PTO is tracked and paid. Scroll until you see the time off pay policies area. This section is dedicated to vacation, sick time, or a combined PTO bucket. If you already see a policy listed, you can review and adjust it. If not, you'll add a new one. Use the drop down to select Add New for the policy type you need, such as vacation, sick, or PTO. Choose the label that matches how your organization tracks time off. Keeping names consistent with your employee handbook makes it easier for everyone to understand what shows on pay stubs. Follow the prompts to define how hours are accrued. Pick the accrual method like per pay period per hour worked or an annual grant. Enter the accrual rate, any annual maximum, and whether unused hours carry over. If the employee is starting with a balance, add a current balance and the date it should take effect. As a tip, align the accrual period with your pay schedule and use a cap and carryover rules that match your company policy and local requirements. For per hour methods, confirm the rate supports the yearly total you intend, and for annual grants, set the correct grant date so balances appear when expected. When everything looks right, click Save and then Done. You should now see the policy listed in the employee's profile. Run a quick check by previewing the next payroll or a test paycheck to confirm the PTO item appears and the balance is correct. Repeat these steps for your other employees and keep your policy details documented so future updates stay consistent.